Good day, I am Fritz M. Cancel from Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering Tradition, and I'm here to make a reaction video about what is research brought to you by Dr. Edwin R. Arboleda. So, panoorin natin and let's see kung anong matututunan natin mula sa ating professor. So,
Good day to all of you. Our topic for today is about research. According to Celtis et al. In 1976, they stated that research is to search again, to take another more careful look, to find out more. Search again to take another more careful look, to find out more. It is a systematic quest for undiscovered truth by Liddy in 1974. It is a systematic attempt to provide answers to questions, as stated by Tuckman in 1972. It is searching for theory, for testing theory, or for solving a problem. And my very own personal definition, it is to search for solutions to a gap in knowledge in a systematic and scientific way. What are the reasons why we do research? To build knowledge, to understand various issues, to provide solutions to problems, to seek the truth. These are the expectations, the ideal reasons why we do research. But the reality of it, this is the practical reasons why we do research. It is your job. It is a requirement for you to graduate in your 4-year engineering course. We do research for personal gain and interest. To get promotion, if you are a faculty member in a university, research is very important in the promotion. To achieve a dream or an ambition is to get money or fund. As this is true, especially if you can get an outside funding such as TOST, Picard, there is an honorarium. Research endgame. It's not enough that you find solution, you can provide solution to various problems. This is the end game. You need to present it in a scientific convention or a conference. Reports. There is a terminal report, monthly report, what you have already finished. Publications. You need to publish your results in a scientific journal, such as Scopus Index Journal, Web of Science. For some researchers, they can have a patent to protect their intellectual property. They can commercialize the product. And I think this should be the culture also in the Philippines. After finishing your Bachelor of Science degree, have produced a good research, a good product, then you can commercialize it. For some, the end game is to travel to other places, especially when doing presentations. That is only applicable before the COVID-19 pandemic. Now, most of the presentations are done online. There's 3 types of research. The first one is the basic research. The planned systematic pursuit of new knowledge and understanding towards a general application. The keyword here is new knowledge and understanding towards a general application. Mostly this kind of research is done in the doctoral degree. Creating a new edge detection algorithm is a new knowledge, so that is a novel. So that is a basic research. The main question is, why is this important? Which is action research. Acquisition of knowledge or understanding to meet a specific recognized need. Action research. So basic research, mostly in engineering premises. Basic research, you can do this using simulation. For action research in engineering premises, what I did is I applied my newly developed edge detection algorithm in finding the edge of green coffee beans. That's my action research. How can I use this? This is the main question being answered if it is an action research. So after having an algorithm, a basic research, I applied it in green coffee beans picture extraction, so it become an action research. Development research, this is most of the time this is the type of research for engineering. We develop a device out of the algorithm and out of the simulation. We develop a device, and that is what we call developmental research. The application of knowledge and understanding towards the production or improvement of a product, service, process, or method. So if you are an engineering, your research is a development research. If you are in the masteral or especially in the doctoral level, your research can include basic research, which will require your novelty, action research, also a development research. These are the agenda of CBSU students doing research, especially in the engineering. If you are, whatever your course, if you are studying in CBSU, your research must fall within these 5 thematic ideas. The first one is the agri-fisheries and food security. You are electrical engineering, computer engineering, electronics engineering. If you can think of a problem to solve in agricultural, agri-fisheries and food security, a valid research. Also, if you can think of a public health and welfare problems that you want to solve, it's a valid research. The term smart engineering covers the methods, processes, systems, and tools for the cross-disciplinary system-oriented development, innovative and interconnected products, services, and infrastructure in the field of engineering. So these areas are very important. During your title defense, it might be as where is your research study falling into? What agenda in the CBSU research extension agenda is your study a part of? Your research must be aligned in these thematic areas. So, that's all.
So sa pinakita na video ni Sir Arboleda about research, as a student, masasabi ko na sobrang laki ng tulong ng video na ito kasi simula pa lang nandoon na yung pinaka-hinahanap natin. Ano nga ba yung purpose ng research? Kasi sa iba, hindi pa nila alam yung exact reason, exact purpose kung bakit tayo nagko-conduct ng research. Kasi yung iba, sinasabi na aksaya sa oras, it's a waste of time of conducting research. Siyempre, dito sa sinabi ni Sir, simula pa lang sinabi niya na kung ano yung definition ng research. Nandoon yung para masagot yung mga katanungan. Nag-discover ng kung ano mang gusto mong malaman in terms of research. Ngayon, sinabi rin dito na kung ano nga ba yung expectations sa research, kung ano nga yung mga dapat mong asahan, pero kung ano ba yung mangyayari sa realidad na nasabi rin dito. At the same time, sobrang laki ng terminologies, sobrang laking tulang terminologies na binigay niya kasi mas malinaw yung mas malinaw yung mga naging katanungan ko na bigyan na nakasagutan. And I would like to thank Mr. Edwin Arboleda for giving us enough knowledge about research, and sana mas marami pang knowledge ang makuha natin mula sa kanya kasi sobrang laking tulong ng mga binibigay niyang knowledge sa atin. So, yun lang po at maraming salamat.